There's blood in the streets, the stocks are dropping, and what is Bill doing? He's buying random stocks with no due diligence. Like a complete moron. Welcome back, Freedom Savers. This is the completely random portfolio I put together yesterday. I invested $1,000 into this portfolio, and we will see how it performs over the next year. Today, as you can see, I deposited $1,000 even, and I spent exactly $1,000 on stocks, $100 in each of the 10 stocks that are in the portfolio. Looking at my holdings here, we got over 17 shares of NN. We got 6 shares of Ombre, which is not the correct name. It's actually Home Bank shares. We got 4.8 shares of stocks in Red Rock, 3.4 in RMAX, 2.3 in Fleur, etc., etc., etc. The only one we don't have a full share on is UHS because its price was an average of $116.37, and I only invested $100. Going to our spreadsheet, we don't want that tab. So the current value after half a day basically, or 1 day in the market, is $980.71. I deposited $1,000, which gives me a loss on the very first day of the portfolio of $19.29. Of course, we have not earned any dividends, and we haven't been paid any dividends, because why would we? Dividend changes, well, we just started it, so of course nothing's changed. Let's go to the fun tab though and look at our yearly dividends. So there's been one investing day for me yesterday. Well, actually today. I deposited $1,000. I increased the yearly income, which of course went from $0 to $24.16 per year, giving me an overall yield on cost on this completely random portfolio of 2.42%. The overall average for this portfolio currently is 2.47% since the stocks dropped further. My yield on cost, of course, is that 2.42%. I've already gone over this, $24.16 per year, which breaks down to $2.01 per month for an overall return of 2.42% on this portfolio. It's really not that bad. Not that bad so far, guys. But I mean, it is the first day. Looking at the graphs, we have a pretty decent diversification on this random portfolio. We got 20% in financial, 10% in technology, 10% in energy, 20% in consumer cyclical, 10% in real estate, 10% in healthcare, and 20% in industrial. I think that's a pretty good diversification for being completely random. Of course, this is our stock weightings. It should be all pretty much even, depending on how much they lost today, of course. And that's all I got for this one. This one's nice and easy. Of course, I'm not depositing into this anytime soon. We're going to stick with our original $1,000 investment and see how it performs. It should be interesting. These were completely random stocks. I still have not done any due diligence on these, more than you saw in the original video of me picking these stocks. And I don't really intend to for quite a while. One thing to note today is Nike did pretty good. Let's take a look at Nike. Bam, they went up 7.17% today in this blood in the street market, which is pretty impressive. They did have an earnings out, and I didn't listen to the earnings, but I'm assuming since the price went up, they did pretty well on their earnings. And also they're talking about their new tennis shoes that automatically lace themselves like Back to the Future. So with all that hype, Nike did pretty damn good. Which is funny because, of course, M1 bought my stocks at the top of the price when the market went up at the start at the highest price possible, and then it dropped. So my average price for Nike is $73.18, and then it dropped to $72.37. So I am actually down in that position, even though it went up 7% today. Thank you, M1, for waiting long enough for the prices to go up before buying my stocks. I so appreciate that. All right, well, that's all I got. Again, I'm mentioning this in all my videos. If you are afraid of what's going on in the market right now, if it's scaring you, I know there's a lot of new investors out there that aren't used to this volatility. The worst thing you can do right now is sell your positions. If you're worried about what's going on in the market, just hold your positions. Don't sell. You don't need to buy more. You don't need to do anything. Just hold. And if you are a more aggressive investor like myself, then take some chances and buy some stocks while they're low, while they're on sale. All right, guys, that's all I got. This is nice and quick, and hopefully it'll get a little more entertaining in the future. But for now, you can just watch my $1,000 vanish and disappear slowly but surely. Have a good one. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.